Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the coolest tools in the Delaverse playground, the SEO Analyzer Node. If you're looking to boost your website's visibility without the hassle of manual research, this is your new best friend. This handy node automates all things SEO, from sniffing out the best keywords to checking out what your competitors are up to, and even auditing your own pages. It's perfect for anyone creating content or running a site, helping you make smarter decisions that drive more traffic and engagement in Delaverse workflows. Getting started is a breeze. Head to your Delaverse Playground dashboard. From the menu on the side, search for or drag the SEO Analyzer node right onto your canvas. Give it a fun name, like My Keyword Scout, to keep things organized. Then hit save. You're all set to build your first SEO-powered workflow. Let's break down what makes this node shine. It has three main modes to choose from, each tailored to different needs. Keyword search mode. Just pop in your keywords, add as many as you want. Pick your country, language, how many results to check, and even the device type, like mobile or desktop. It digs into Google search results to show you top competitors and hot trends. Page extraction mode. Enter the URLs you want to analyze. Set how long to let the page load, and decide what to pull. Think meta tags, headings, links, image descriptions, or even special schema data. It's like having an SEO detective scan your pages for you. Combined analysis mode, the best of both worlds. Mix keywords and URLs to get a full picture, combining search insights with page details for supercharged results. Once configured, connect its output to an assistant node in your workflow, and watch the magic happen as it feeds info to other tools. The real power comes in the insights it delivers. You'll get structured reports on search engine results pages, SERPs, competitor rankings, and on-page elements that matter most. Track things like how your keywords perform across regions or spot missing optimizations on your site. These metrics aren't just numbers, they're your roadmap to better SEO, showing exactly where to focus for maximum impact. For those ready to level up, try combining modes for deeper dives, like auditing competitors' pages based on your top keywords. Schedule your workflow to run weekly for ongoing tracking, and link outputs to Google Sheets for easy sharing with your team. Pro tip: pair it with content generation nodes to turn insights straight into blog ideas. Wrapping it up, the SEO Analyzer node empowers you to automate tedious SEO tasks, uncover hidden opportunities, and stay ahead of the curve, all within the fun, flexible Delaverse playground. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, start analyzing today and watch your online presence grow. Which one of you is going to build their first SEO workflow? Share your wins in the comments.